In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up default homepage in Brave browser. First, open Brave and head to the main menu. Look toward the top right corner of the window for the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that, and from the list that appears, choose Settings. This opens Brave's settings panel. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Appearance. Appearance controls what you see in the toolbar and on the interface, so this is exactly where the Home button and its destination live. Now turn on the Home button. Find the option labeled Show Home button and toggle it on. As soon as you enable it, a small house icon will appear in Brave's toolbar, usually beside the address bar near the back and forward arrows. Directly under that setting, choose the destination for the Home button. Select the option that says Enter Custom Web Address or wording very close to that. You'll see a text box appear, and this is where you tell Brave which page to open whenever you click the home icon. Paste your preferred URL into the box. For example, you could enter http://google.com or any site you visit frequently. It's a good idea to copy the address from the site itself to avoid typos. There's no separate save button here. Brave applies the change as soon as you enter it. Let's confirm it worked. Click the new Home button in the toolbar, the little house icon, and Brave should immediately open the page you just set. If it doesn't, double check that the Home button is enabled and that the web address is correct. Note that this sets the Home button only, not your startup or new tab page. And that's it. You opened Settings, went to Appearance, showed the Home button, set a custom address, and tested it. Enjoy the one-click shortcut to your preferred page anytime you're browsing in Brave.